Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share three powerful methods to increase your computer speed and also boost the startup time. It doesn't matter how long you've been having the problem of your computer freezing up while you are working with it, or the problem of slow boot time, and probably also you are having the slow browsing time. I'm going to help you out by just sharing with you three simple steps to bring back your system to life. The only thing you owe us is to subscribe to this channel. If after trying these steps, your system is really working for you, don't fail to share it with your colleagues and your friends who might benefit from these simple steps I'm about to share with you. And I am sure you are going to really enjoy your system afterward. So the first step will involve disabling some of the applications that boot along whenever you press your start button. And some of these applications tend to drag your boot time. So how do you disable some of these applications? First, go to your Windows search bar and type task manager, and this pops up. Just click open, and under the task manager, just go to startup, and this brings up all the applications that are currently enabled or disabled. And these are the applications that boot along with your system whenever you press the start button. And disabling some of them, especially the ones you don't always use, will increase your boot time and also increase your browsing time. So how do we go about that? Under the status, yeah, I hope you can see it. You just go through it and see if there is any application you don't always use. For instance, I don't always make use of Microsoft Edge. You can see it's disabled. WhatsApp is also disabled here. So let's assume I don't want to be using Moose Hub. You can see Moose Hub here. Let me just click on it and go down here and click disable, and it's disabled. If you want to enable it again, just click on it and go down here and click enable. So the same process applies to anyone you don't want. Just click on it, go down here and click enable or disable, and that solves the problem. And once you've done this, your computer is going to boot very fast. Let me show you a second way to check the status of your hard drive. And how do you do that? Under the task manager, go to performance, this performance, and click on it, and the health status of your hard drive is displayed for you. As you can see, I currently use 3.8 gig out of 8 gig. That represents about 48% of my hard drive memory. You can see I don't have so many applications running. So the more you reduce the number of applications you have, the faster your hard drive will operate or function for you. So this is just to show you you don't have to do much here. And once you are done with that, just click close and restart your system and see how fast it will boot this time around. In case this first step fails to work for you, we have to show the second step you can also try as well. And that involves going to your Windows search bar here and type msconfig. msconfig. It stands for system configuration. Just click open and this pops up. Uh, Under it, click the boot tab. I hope you can see it. It's somehow small. Just click boot tab and select advanced options. These advanced options, and this will show under the boot advanced options. If this box is not checked, check it in your own and go to this pull down menu here and select the highest number under it. Like here, the highest number here is 4, so it's selected. And once that is done, just come down here and click OK and click apply and OK. Then it's asking you whether you want to restart the system or you want to continue to do any other thing on the system. So the best thing for you to do is to restart once you've done this thing I just showed you now. But because I'm going to show you another step, I will click this exit without restarting. So this is the second step. I'm very sure it's going to work for you. If the first step fails, this second step will work for you. But let me also show you a third step in case. And that will involve uh, going back to your Windows search bar and typing the same task manager and okay. So the third method I'm going to share with you involves going to your Windows search bar and typing the same ms configuration, ms config for short, and this pops up. Just click open again, and under the system configuration here, just go to services and click on it, and you are going to see most of the applications that are currently running and some that are not running. uh, First of all, go down under the and click this box that says hide all Microsoft services. Just click on it, and once you've clicked on it, go back here and uncheck all these boxes. Check all of them. Check all the boxes that are correctly checked, and once you've done that, just come back here and click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I did this few minutes back. So for now, I'm just using to teach you how to go about it. This will help to speed up your computer whenever you press your start button. So just first thing to do is check this box that says hide all Microsoft services and go back to uncheck all these boxes inside here and click OK. That will solve your problem. The only thing you owe us in this channel is to subscribe. If after trying these methods I've shared with you, your computer is fully working for you, just come back and subscribe to our channel to encourage us to do more videos of this nature. Thank you very much, and we appreciate you subscribing and sharing this video with your colleagues and friends as well. So thanks once again.